Amazon Elastic File System or EFS is a shared storage for EC2 instances service from AWS. EFS is a serverless, fully elastic file storage which enables you to share file data without provisioning or managing any storage infrastructure on your part. EFS is a file storage service for EC2 instances. With EFS, the applications can have the storage whenever they need it because storage capacity grows and shrinks automatically as per demand. One of the use case where I have seen EFS being used quite frequently is the database clustering, where databases are placed on one shared storage, their data files and other related files, and then the instances can access that database from different EC2 instances. One of the use case could be Oracle RAC or Oracle Real Application Clusters, which need the database physical files to be present on a shared file system, which should be visible to all the participating nodes or EC2 instances in this case. The following command with examples illustrate step-by-step process to mount an existing EFS volume to a new EC2 instance. So let's suppose you have created a new EC2 instance which want to have access to an existing EFS volume. That EFS volume is already visible to various other EC2 instances. So now you have a brand new EC2 instance. Let's see how can we make the EFS volume available to that new EC2 instance. In the step one, I'm creating a simple NFS configuration for that new EC2 instance. So log into that new EC2 instance as EC2-user, create this file post underscore NFS stat in the EC2 user's homes directory and put in the content on the line number 3 and 4. So you can touch this file or create it, and then in the VI editor or any editor of your choice, open it and put in the line number 3 and 4 and save that file. In the line number file, I'm giving the volume EFS volume name as EFS volume prod. You can use your own name. Afterwards, with within the same EC2 dash user, go to its cron tab, edit the cron tab, and then put in this cron tab entry to schedule the NFS daemon within the operating system. And then sudo to the root user, or you could remain in the EC2 user and use the sudo commands. As a root user, first check the existing file system and mount points, and then create a new directory where we'll be mounting the existing EFS volume. So on line number 12, I am creating a new directory. Again, with the root user, in the step 4, mount the existing EFS volume with the permissions to EC2 user, and you will be performing this action as root user. In the line number 15, I'm simply mounting the EFS volume prod directory to the EFS existing EFS volume. And if you see, the IP of that existing EFS volume is 10.21.8.175, and rest of the parameters are the usual NFS parameters. So whenever you create a EFS volume, it will give you an IP address. Afterwards, on line number 16, I am giving EC2 user, I'm making EC2 user as the owner of this directory. And then to make this configuration persistent across instance reboot, you need to put in this NFS config for this EFS volume into the fs tab file. So on open the file, uh, fs tab file in the etc fs tab location at line number 19, and then just simply copy paste this IP address of EFS volume and then the mount point on your existing on this new server with the defaults of NFS, and then simply run the df-ht command to double check that now the existing EFS volume is visible to this new server. I hope this helps. If you have any questions or any feedback, please feel free to put it in the comments. Thank you very much. Bye.